not. Oh, it's just in time for winter in Florida. I'm so happy right now.
And you know, we call these jumpers.
Jumpers with a hood.
Oh, we've started off right. We really have.
Oh!